Good morning, and happy Tuesday. This is a quick meal prep, and we're going to be doing coconut curry chicken. Now, you can already see I have my marinated coconut curry chicken. That's been in the fridge for 6 hours. It's been marinating in coconut milk, full fat coconut milk, onion, red onion, jalapeno, absolutely, curry, of course, and garlic. I'm going to place it into the crock pot and let it do its thing for 5 to 6 hours on low. And so you can see it. I'm going to just easily dump the ingredients into the crock pot, like so. Look at that delicious curry. And again, you can go ahead and put the lid on, as I'm going to do shortly, after I give it a good stir, and you can go on about your day. Again, this is an easy, quick, healthy recipe. The chicken will be good for your source of protein. Okay, everything is in the pot. It is on low. And again, in about 4 or 5 hours, this healthy meal will be complete. Again, your marinated chicken and full fat coconut milk, jalapeno, red onion, and garlic, and of course your curry. Look how thick that sauce is. Once the chicken is complete, these plantains are ripe enough, and you can either bake them or drizzle a little bit of coconut oil over them and lightly fry them. I like mine with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. So we're going to have coconut curry chicken and plantain. Yummy. See you back this evening. I hope that you have a blessed and healthy day.